Hey, what's up everybody around the world? Welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. Today I'm going to share with you another cabin house model design in Revit. Okay, you can see on my screen here I got some photo reference or project reference before we jump into our project. Those photo reference I just find it out on Behance. You can check it out for the author for the project. I will put link in description. Anyway, for the project I prefer using for wood construction to finish that. We will start from our structure to architecture finish, and we will place our interior inside also for placing furniture. Okay, I think it's pretty much for introduction. Let's switch into our project together. Okay, so here we are in Revit Architecture template. So what I'm going to do in order to make our cabin house, I prefer using for wood construction in this project. So first thing I'm going to create our grid line first. GR for shortcut key. I just type it out on my keyboard. Then I start pop up from here until here. Then I'm going to make another grid line there over there. Just make it like this. Later on we will adjustment with our dimension. I will adjustment here, just make it for 4 meter, and adjustment from grid 3 to grid 2, I just make it for 1.5 meter, and adjustment from our grid 4 to grid 3, just make it for 6 meter. Okay, so once I done that, I need to create another grid line for vertical. Just add for vertical, and I don't want my grid line for vertical and horizontal is same amount number. I will just want to change it for character A. Hit escape a couple of times. Then I can select my grid line, select CS on my keyboard for create simpler. You see a pick line. I'm going to offset for every grid line is 4 meter. Just make it like this. Hit escape. Then I can adjustment my grid line here. Just make it up like this. Okay, so once I done that, I need to go back to my sound elevation because I want to adjustment my elevation also. I will just make it for 1.2 meter. Then I will rename it for level 1M. Hit escape a couple times. LL for shortcut key. I will add another one. Just add here like this. And I can adjustment here also. Make it for 2.4 meter. 1.2 meter. Sorry, here I need to make it 2.4 meter. Then for here I will make it for 3 meter. Then I need to adjustment here also, make it for roof, and make our level 1 to, sorry, just make it for level 2. Hit escape a couple times. Once I done that, I will adjustment it because I want everything is look clear before I process my model here. Okay, I think everything is perfectly. Let's go to our side plan. I prefer working on side plan. Then I will cross my level 1 first, and I don't want to see my side coordinate here. Go to VG for visibility graphic. Then I finding for character S for side. I want to hide this guy over there. Just turn off. Then I hit OK. Okay, now our side coordinator is gone. It's time to create our foundation, structural column, and structural beam. First thing, we are working on architecture template. We need to load all of them inside our project first. Just go to my structure tab, then go to our isometric for our foundation. Then I drop down finding for English, just finding for foundation structural, using for rectangle 1. And of course I want to adjustment also because 200 by 200 for pie rectangle is quite big for me. I will duplicate it because I don't want my sitting here is messy or too big for ours here. For our foundation there, just make it for 800, and our depth is 800, width and length also 800. Then again, okay, once I done that, I can using our all grid to add all our foundation is a faster way. Sorry, I need to add here. Okay, small issue. We need to add grid. I will add here like this and hit finish, and add another all grid here. Just add here like this, then hit finish. hit escape a couple times. Once I done that, I can go to my column because I want to add for wood column also for timber. Basically in our setting there we got only for steel column, universal column. So in order to create our wood construction, we need to load in first. I will using for timber, then I will choosing whatever I want because later on I know I will adjustment that. I just adjustment it, just make our column chamber, make it for 200 by 200. Then I'm going to rename it, make it 200 by 200. Then I can hit apply. It's okay. Then I just simply add all grid. Let me adjustment my placement plan first. I will start from our level 1 until level 1 all grid. Just add in like this. Then I can finish. Once I done that, I can add another all grid, but I need to adjustment our placement plan first. I will make it until our roofs for our level 2 here. Just make it until here. Then I can finish. Once I done that, I need to add our beam system also. Just go to our beam, then go to our load family in order to load in our structural framing for chamber. Finding for structural framing, go to wood construction, use our timber also, but in the case I will prefer 400 for 140 for our beam system, and of course I will adjustment here. I will duplicate and make another one for 200 by 200 because it's our boundary of our beam. I will make it same as our column, just make it 200 by 200. Once I done that, I can add all column there, but I prefer to using for add all grid. But I need first thing I need to changing our placement plan first because I don't want placing wrong plan. I need to adjustment there, make it for level 1M, just add all grid. Then I can simply select all like this, then I just hit finish. As you can see here, I couldn't show my see my structural beam because I need to change my visual style there to find in order to say that. Then I need to hit escape a couple times first because when we add on all grid, our when we selection is extend until our grid there. That's why we add here also. So I need to delete the E for shortcut key for delete. Then we go back to our beam again. I need to add another beam here. First thing I need to adjustment here also, make it for level 2, add all grid, just add it like this. Then I can hit finish. And again I will make for roof, add all grid, just add it like this. Then I can hit finish. Once I done that, let's go to our 3D over there. As you can see here, then here I need to adjustment. Hold Control key for multiple selection. The last guy over there, delete. Then I will change my visualize style to consistent color. Okay, so now it's quite perfectly. So what we are missing our floor. I'm going to add our floor there. Go back to my side plan there. Go to our floor, but let me adjustment here first. I think I got minor problem over there. If I directly add like this, our floor will be offset a lot. So I'm going to adjustment here first. Shift key. I need to minus 150 or minus 100 for our floor spacing. Is apply. Okay. Then I'm going to select all of our beam here. Hold Control key for multiple selection. Then we just offset that, or we can directly move it down. V for move. I'm going to move it down like this. Okay, hit escape a couple times. And here I need to adjustment also. Basically, start from front here. Then I'm going to move it down. Just move it down. Just move it for constraint and constraint first. Then I'm going to move it for 100 or so for move it down. It does get a couple of times. Later on you will know the reason why I move all my column and my beam system is moving down. I think we need to add our beam system first before we add our floor there. Go back to my side plan here, then go to our beam system. I need to check offset this one, make it for 400 for spacing. Then here as our work plan is we work plan on our roots level roots here, so I need to adjustment that. Hit escape first. I will hit escape first. Hit escape a couple times first. Let me cancel first. Then I'm going to my level 1 I think it's a correct way. Then just simply change it to fine. Go to our beam system again. I will add click beam here, then add for rectangle. I just start add like this. Make sure for beam type I will make it 440 by 140. Just make it like this. Then I can hit finish. For beam direction I just leave it like this. Then I can CO for copy. Make sure you turn on for multiple selection in order to copy multiple time. Okay. Then I'm going to hide our take also SA. Then I'm going to hide it. Then I'm going to our level 2 here, change it to fine again. Okay, so I'm going to our beam system again. Just start frame for beam system, then draw it out. I will start draw from here till here like this. Then I'm going to change beam system for vertical. Then our spacing I will make it for 500. Our beam type I just make it 440 by 140. Then hit finish. Then I'm going to copy as well. Just CO for copy. Just copy that. Hit escape a couple times. Go back to my 3D there. Okay, as you can see here. But we got one problem again because we need to adjustment here. I need to make all of them minus 100 millimeter for high. So I'm going to V for move. Just move it down 100. Hit escape. Then here also. Hit escape a couple times. Okay, as you can see here. But here I need to add another, basically here I need to add another beam here and column there. Let's go back to our side plan. It's not been taken. I think here we don't need to add, just leave it like this. Let's get a couple of times. Go back to my 3D there. Okay. Now it's time to create our floor over there. I just go back to my side plan, then go to our floor, start for rectangle. I will offset it for 200 millimeter for our floor, and I will start it from the well 1M. Just make it like this. Then I can hit finish. I need to adjustment our floor also. Just make it for 100. It's okay. Apply, then it's okay. Hit escape a couple of times. For beam direction, I'm going to delete it for slab direction. And need to add another floor there. Go to our structural tab using our floor and change our location level to level 2 and just add our grid. I will just simply add it like this. Escape. Then here I need to adjustment, make it, I think make it like this for 1 meter for extend. Go to my 3D there. Okay, as you can see here we need to adjustment also because our floor is goes through with our column already. Then here I need to extend more. Actually, let me extend more like this, and hit finish. Then I can start from top there. CO for copy, I will start copy like this, make it until here. Hit escape a couple of times. Okay, perfect. Then here need to adjustment. Start from our top view, change our visualize style to our wireframe. Then I can edit boundary. Just add rectangle. Start draw from here to an opening. Select all of them, then copy that. Hit escape a couple of times, then I can finish up. Change our visualize style to our consistent color. Now I want to adjustment my floor by category and filter it. I will override graphic. By override graphic by category, I need to go to our visibility graphic. Then finding for filter, we need to edit and add new for our filter style. I will create new and make it for floor because our floor, our element is category by floor. It's okay. Then I need to take a look on our category style there. Filter list, I just make it for architecture because we are working on architecture template. Then just going down finding for floor, I just turn on here. Then for our filter rule, I just make it for type name like this. Then it's okay. We haven't done our job here yet because we need to add in and we need to adjustment here. I want to rearrange here, make it for pattern, simply make it for white color. Okay, as you can see here, now it's time to create our layout inside our floor there. First thing, I'm going to our level 2 there, then WA on my keyboard for shortcut key. I just simply make it for CW102/50, edit type, and I need to edit something inside. I will change our brick wall to our wood, so I just make it for 20mm for wood. For structure here, for timer and air layer, I just make it for 14, and for structure make it for 20. I think we make it for 14 and make it for 20, and make our finishing make it for 20. Of course, I will adjustment for our material there also. I will change it from brick wall to our wood. Tie it out on my property panel material browser there, finding for wood. Then I can hit OK. Apply, then it's OK. Once I done that, I can simply adjustment that. Make it from level 2 until level roof, like this. Then I can start like this. Just make it for 3 meter. Hit escape. Then add another one. For toilet, make it for 3 meter or so, I think, and make here for spacing our toilet, just make it 150. Hit escape a couple of times, then I need to add another one. And for center one, for our table here, study table here, I think here is overlapping. Okay, hit escape a couple of times, then go to our floor wall again, sorry, and we finding for our storefront. I need to add in that. Start from here until here and add another one here. Hit escape a couple of times. Then for here, I guess making for our curtain wall because I want to adjustment our mullion here, make it for curtain wall. Then start like this. Select my curtain wall here, adjustment our setting. I will turn on for horizontal spacing. Sorry, turn on for vertical spacing. Then make our area spacing for 400mm. Then turn on for our mullion there, make it for 25 radian. Okay, just go back to my 3D there, as you can see here. Now what we are missing is we are missing for our staircase and our interior furniture there, and of course I will put link in description for those kind of interior here. You can download from that and adjustment from your side there. I will turn on that. Then how can I change that? First thing, I want to change my modeling there, change it to wood color. Then I'm going to select it like this, then unpick, go to edit type, finding for material and finishing, finding for wood also, make it for wood stamp, it's apply, it's okay. Then I just drop down finding for 25 radium, edit again. I will change it for wood also. Okay, as you can see here, everything is fine. Now we need to add our door for our toilet and add our staircase. First thing, I want to add my staircase first. Just go back to my level. Okay, I think we go back to our level 1. Change to find, then go to our architecture tab, go to staircase. Simply start here like this, then here I need to move in. Make it for 1.6 meter, make it for 2 meter, I think make it bigger or big. Then just move it out. Hit escape a couple of times. Go to my 3D there. As you can see here. Our stair is connected quite well. So I'm going to edit our setting there because I don't want my riser there and my support. I want to change to carry open also. First thing I need to go to our drill there. Sorry. Our riser will turn off to apply. Then I'm going to our category there. Change it to wood stand. Apply. It's okay. Take a look on our railing there. I want to check it for none because I don't want railing. Then go to this thing there. Finding for our support there. Just make it for carry open and make another one carry open. Of course, I need to change our material also. Just make it for 200. It's not, I think. And adjustment for material. Okay, as you can see here, then you can finish up. Okay. So now let's add another stair. I think we need to add riser. I want riser. Okay, let me find first because I want to add riser. Yep, just make it like this, I think. Support, we need to change also if we add our riser. Okay, I think we just make it like this, sorry. Okay, as you can see here, then I can go to my level 2 because I want to add another staircase. Just add here again. We need to start from level 2 until level, start from level 1M until level 2 like this. Make it another one, then make it for 2 meter. Then here I need to move it. Finish. Go back to my 3D there. Okay, perfect. Then I need to adjustment my glass door here. HI for hidden all element, then hit a tab key until I got only my glass panel here. Unpin. I need to load in another drawer there. Finding for door, then glass door, single door. Okay, like this. Just delete it on. Okay, perfect. Then HR for Revit element. Now it's time to create our furniture inside. As I told you before, I will put link in the description. You can check it out from that. Then I go back to my level 2 there. Then DR for door. It's time to add our door. Now let me finish up our interior here. Okay, so now let's switch into our 3D. We are almost done that. As you can see here. So the rest you need to add another chair there and add another TV there. And for here we need to add another table for our study area. And here I need to add another glass door there for our laundry area. Okay guys, I think this is you need to finish by yourself, and of course I will provide you for those kind of family and for our project reference also for my project here. Okay guys, I think it's pretty much for this tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me from start to finish, and I see you for another tutorial in Revit, and have a nice day. Thank you.